Hi, in today's video I'll be showing you how to install a Ply Lining Kit for your van. I'm going to be installing my Ply Lining Kit into a VW Caddy Maxi. I found this kit on eBay and I'll put the seller in the link so you guys can buy the same kit if you like. So once I ordered the kit, it came within about 2 days, which is ideal, and this is during the COVID-19 lockdown, so it was exceptionally good service from the company. It came in a couple of cardboard boxes. I didn't order the full kit because I didn't need the roof or the flooring, so I just got the side panels, door panels and the wheel boxes. So I unloaded all the parts into my garage to make sure they're all there, and you get a selection of screws and the fitting instructions as well. So to begin with, I removed the panels I'd already put on the doors, so I took all the plastic clips out, so I was ready to install the ply lining. So it's pretty straightforward to fit. As I've insulated the van, I took the thermo wrap off the panels I already had and stuck them to the bottom of the plywood panels for the doors. I then started off by installing the first panel onto the side. I'd recommend having 2 people to do this. As the van is curved, the plywood fits as you push it into place. As it bends, it then curves to the wall, and that's what makes it fit. So if you put it just straight on, it won't fit. So definitely recommend having 2 people. So this will fit fine, as the company marks out where you need to screw, so just go ahead and screw the self-tapping screws that come with the kit into the van. So unfortunately my drill broke as we were doing this, so it took a lot longer by hand, but it's still achievable. You can do any of the panels however you like. I just decided to do the side panel first, and then went ahead and did the door panel, again making sure it all fits and just screw in all the screws. Once this is all complete, I moved over to the other door panel and followed the same process. Again, it's pretty hard, so you want to have someone pushing pressure on the wood as you're screwing in. Once this was complete, I moved over to the left hand side. I've already got some lights installed in the van, so I wanted to cut some slits so that the lights can still be there. I could have disconnected the lights, drilled some holes and reconnected them, but I wanted to do it a bit quicker, so I just cut some slits in the top of the wood that I could slide the wires down into. Once I completed this side panel, I then went to do the wheel boxes. I believe you screw the wheel boxes into the wheel arches, but I was a bit unsure on this one, so I decided to use wood glue and just glue it down to the floor and the side plywood. And that is it. That is how you install your Ply Lining Kit. It's very, very simple. It took us a lot longer because we didn't have a drill, so if you've got a drill, it's quite a simple process and it's quite quick. Definitely recommend having 2 people as you have to bend the plywood, and for some of the sections, for the side panels especially, near the doors, you need to have quite a lot of force to push the plywood in and then drill it in. I definitely recommend buying these kits. This kit was only 100 quid, it came in 2 days, didn't take that long to install, so it's a lot quicker than trying to do it yourself and messing up and ending up buying more plywood. Thanks for watching my video. If you guys have any questions or you want to see anything similar, let me know in the comments. Thanks.